So I got this ND filter from NEEWER. It is a variable ND filter that goes from 1 to 5 stops, and when you add like a magnetic ND32, it goes from 6 to 9 stops. So if you need like an ND filter from 1 to 5 and 6 to 9, if you go outside and it's really sunny, then you don't have to screw off the filter and screw on another one. You can just use this one and just put on like the magnetic ND filter on it. Really cool in my opinion, because you don't have to like have always 2 filters. You don't have to buy 2 filters. You can just buy this one and you can just put the ND32 on it. So on some really cheap filters, when you turn the filter too far, then you get an X effect. You don't get it here because the stops are locked. So once you are at the end, you cannot go any further, so you don't get that problem with the X effect. That's also really nice, and you have the stops also written on the filter, so you always know on what f-stop that you were. You have this little handle. You can change the f-stops with that, so you can even see the f-stops written on the sides. And so once you turn this little handle, you lock it and it becomes a CPL filter. So if you're someone who shoots cars, by example, and you want to see like through the windshield where you're shooting the video, you can filter out the reflections with the CPL filter on this filter. So you don't have to screw on another CPL filter, you can just use this. So also the fact that it's a true color filter, it means that there is not a lot of color shift. So if you put it on your camera, you shouldn't see that much of a difference if you're using the filter or not using the filter. So, and if you want to buy one of these filters, just check out the website of NEEWER or check the link in my bio. I will put a link there.